Hi! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Manda McKay and I'm a professional artist, and I am going to do my very first unboxing video with a surprise that I have. Really, it's more of an unveiling. So let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So I made a book with my artwork in it and my artist statements, and this is the prototype, which is why it has this gray bar across the top. But this has 33 of my paintings in it, along with artist statements about all of them. And just to show you a few examples. So here's a painting I did called Girls Not Brides, and it's got the artist statement and some more recent paintings, and there's actually 33 of these. So I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I've had a lot of people ask me if I would just make a book. And so here it is, the perfect little coffee table book. And I'm going to have linked below, you will see how to access one of these if you're interested. So thank you so much. Again, my name is Manda McKay, and Artistic Alchemy coming soon.